Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In this time, I am just going to share how to make cinematic titles in Adobe Premiere Pro. To get started, I am just going to right click in my project panel and then go to new item, sequence. Then type out your desired text. I am also going to drag the text clip duration to 7-second mark. Make sure your text clip is selected and go over to Effect Controls. I am also to set my font size to 90, then change the tracking setting to 300 to create some spacing between your letters. To center the text, go over to the essential graphic up here and then click this to alignment button to your text horizontally and vertically. Position your time marker at the start of your clip and go back to Effect Control. Click Open up opacity, change the opacity to 0 to create a certain keyframe. Move your time marker to 2-second mark and change the opacity to 100 to create a second keyframe. Move your time marker to 4-second mark and change the opacity to 100 to create a third keyframe. Move the time marker to the 6-second mark and change the opacity to 0 to create a fourth keyframe. Now our text fades in and out, but it looks like smoother. Let's make it smoother. Drag all your keyframes and select them and right click one of them and select Auto Bezier. Now our titles is smoother, look smoother. Let's go to the motion setting, reposition to scale at the start of your clip to create a certain keyframe. Move the time marker to the last keyframe and change the scale to 110. Now our text is growing up slightly, and one touch the final creating is go down to the effects and search for Gaussian blur and drag and drop to your text clip. In the Gaussian blur, at the start of your clip, change the blurriness to 50 to create a certain keyframe. Move the time marker to 2-second mark and change the blurriness to 0 to create a second keyframe. Move your time marker to 4-second mark and change the blurriness to 0 to create a third keyframe. And the last, move the time marker to 6-second mark and change the blurriness to 50. Okay, I have finished to create cinematic titles like this. It's pretty good, right? And see you to my next video. Goodbye.